Cheese, meat, bagels, air fryer? Say less. Your next obsession's here. So who needs takeout? When you have pepperoni, sausage, bacon, and cheesy bagel pizzas, they're better and faster to make. And oh yeah, a hint of fresh basil. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be making a quick snack for the kiddos. Yay! Bagel mini pizzas. Yay! And for the big kid in you too, honey. And this is not just a snack, but this could be lunch as well. This is super fast and easy to make, so I have some mini bagels. Now listen, if you don't have mini bagels in your regular bagels, plain of course, or if you want to use everything bagel, you can use that too, but you kind of don't want to do cinnamon raisin bagel, unless you're really up for experimentation here. So I'm just going to put my pizza sauce here, okay? Just gonna pizza sauce, spread it out here. And then the next thing we're going to do, so I'm going to do some all cheese pizzas, and then I'll do the pepperonis after. Because you have some kids that just all they want is cheese pizza. And you have some kids that gotta have that pepperoni. And then you have the big kid in us that like the meat lovers. So we'll do the sausage with that, and we'll do pepperoni with that for the meat lovers. See, super fast. This takes only, depending on the air fryer maker you have, this is only 5 to 7 minutes for it to get done. Really looking for your cheese to melt. That's really. And then we're gonna get fancy in the end and top it up with some fresh basil. And we gotta give the babies a little greenery too, because they'll avoid that greenery. Here are a list of ingredients. Okay, here we go. Just some cheese here. Then I have my silicone thing here that we're gonna put, right? Just very simple. I'm actually gonna top it with some Parmesan. Get a little Parmesan here going. We got some shaved Parmesan. You can use grated Parmesan if that's what you have. You can use actually flatbread on this too if you don't have bagel at home and you want to do this quick snack lunch for the kids, for the big kid in you. Like I said, you could use flatbread. You can use naan bread. You need something a little bit more firmer. You can use baguette. Here's our vitamin content. I'm gonna sprinkle my pizza sauce with some pizza seasoning from Trader Joe. Now I'm going to put my bacon on the bottom here because I want to protect it from being burned. So I'm going to put my cheese on top of it since I have a couple pieces of meat. Ooh, let me tell you, I always keep cooked bacon on hand because I just love me some bacon. But there's something about the smelling of bacon when it cooks. Oh my God. Even if you're not a bacon lover, you'd be wanting some. Put my cheese on top of it so that way my cooked bacon won't get burnt in the air fryer. Because the temperatures in the air fryer be high. Alright, so let's start with my cheese. Then I could put my sausage on here. And then my pepperoni. So this is going to be a nice little lunch for the big kid in us. For those of us meat lovers. Can't have a meat lover pizza without having bacon, right? Without having some sausage and some pepperoni. Now I'm using fresh mozzarella. You can use whatever cheese you have at home. If you have the shredded. I'm a huge fan, and I know it's costly and it costs more, but let me tell you, when I got my first taste of this years ago in culinary school, it's just I never wanted to go back. Never wanted to go back to eating the other cheese. But again, here, I'm not here to judge anyone. You use what you have at home, honey, and what will work, and that's that. So I've added my sausages, my sausage crumble. This is a meat lover's dream if you are a meat eater. About the kiddos, and kids like pepperoni, they like cheese. And they don't like the vegetables too much, so we have to hide. So we're gonna hide it and we're gonna put some basil in the end. And tell them that, don't you want your food to look nice? So they can get a little health in here. That's how we gonna trick the kiddos. So here is our meat lovers pizza that we're now going to melt. So now let's see what our other pizzas look like.
Look at our air-fried mini pizza bagels. We have our plain cheese with basil. For kids, got to get the veggies in it, right? So we're going to give them some basil. And then we have our pepperoni. These air-fried bagel pizzas are truly a game changer. Crispy on the outside, perfectly cheesy on the inside. Topped with fresh mozzarella, zesty pizza sauce, a sprinkle of shaved Parmesan, aromatic basil, and that ultimate meat lovers mix. A bacon, turkey crumble sausage, turkey pepperoni. Every bite bursts with bold flavors and pure comfort. If you love this recipe, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you never miss a tasty creation. Let me know in the comments how your bagel pizza turned out. What toppings you piled on your bagel pizza. Until the next time, keep having fun in the kitchen and making great food, which is always just a few ingredients away. Remember, health is wealth, and be good to yourself. See you in the next one.